Today we're reviewing stock number 163474 on a 2016 GMC Sierra. And our exterior color is black. Interior options include power windows, locks and mirrors, power folding mirrors, memory seats, wood grain trim, premium audio system, power seats with lumbar support, leather wrap upholstery, sunroof, light controls, four-wheel drive controls, and trailer brake, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, heated steering wheel, hands-free communication and audio controls, wireless charging pad, sunroof controls, garage door opener, OnStar 4G LTE with electrochromatic mirror, CD AM/FM radio with auxiliary, dual zone climate controlled AC, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable foot pedals, traction control, rear cargo line controls, parking assist controls, and hill descent controls. And our interior color is black. Moving on to exterior features, we have alloy wheels, running boards, tailgate step, rear parking assist, backup camera, topper, and more cargo space. Rear options include power windows, 60/40 split bench seats with center armrest and cup holders, sliding rear window, and you can fold seats up for more storage space. Once again, we're viewing stock number 163474 on a 2016 GMC Sierra. Our exterior color is black.